Game shows want you to steal from your friends. I'm Aaron Crane, and this is The Input. Most people are familiar with the prisoner's dilemma. If you're not, here's a refresher. Two people are imprisoned and given the opportunity to either stay silent or betray the other person. The best outcome for both is to remain silent. The worst is for one to keep quiet and the other to choose betrayal. Well, a British game show called Golden Balls turned this mechanic into a game, with one twist. The contestants can briefly talk to each other before they make their decision. The segment is called Split or Steal, and it works like this. You have a golden ball that says split and a golden ball that says steal. If both contestants pick the split ball, then they split the money. If one chooses the steal ball and then the other chooses the split ball, whoever chooses the steal ball goes home with all the money. But if you both choose the steal ball, then you leave with nothing. This definitely makes for an